guys, it's Jen and I create crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make these. So the first thing you're going to want to do is gather your wood, measure it to the size you want, and cut it out. Okay, so now I'm in Design Space. My particular SVG that I'm going to be using is in My Project. So I'm just going to go up here and click My Projects. Click on the particular one you want to work on. Customize it because it's not the same size that I need. And once that pops up, I'll show you the next part. I like to go down in the bottom here and make my screen just a little bit smaller so I can see it a little bit easier. So my particular SVG is already attached. I do not have to do anything with it. So I'm just going to go up and unlock it and do for the width 12 by 3.5. And then do the next for the same thing for the next thing. Go up here, unlock it, 12 by 3. I don't know why I changed it. So if it changes, then you can just go back and do it. So 12 by 3. Here we go. And then the last one. Unlock it. 12 by 3. So they're all the same size. And since I said it's already attached, I don't have to do anything with it. If it was not attached, you would go down here and push attach and it would put all the pieces together. So after that, just make sure that they're all the size that you need. Go up here and push make it. And one thing that I like to do is kind of like spread these out. It's up to you on when you're cutting to make it easier. I just like to spread it out so I have a little bit of extra space in here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this out and weight it, and then I'll show you the next part. The next part that I accidentally left out in the video is you want to make sure you sand your wood really well before you stain or paint it. So go ahead and sand it and make sure it's nice and flat and nice and smooth before you want to paint it or stain it. Every month we do a craft bundle giveaway. It only takes 20 seconds to enter. Visit icreatecrafts.com and click on the giveaway. And always make sure when painting or staining to do the sides and the back so it's not unfinished. And it's a good idea when you're finished staining to take a paper cloth or a towel to wipe the extra stain off. Alright, so the next part is I weeded all of my design, so that's all taken care of. So the next part is to use my brand new craftable transfer tape, which I've never used before. Wow, yeah, I definitely like it already. It's nice and thick, and then it has the grid on it as well. Like I said, I'm really liking how nice and thick it feels. And it peels back really easy too. And I love that it has the grid paper on it. The paper's not so flat. So you can see it's got the grid paper on it, which will make it easier when I want to put it onto my wood, transfer it onto my wood. In this next step, I'm just going to fast forward. You can see how I'm doing it. I'm taking the Awesome Craftables transfer tape, laying it on my board, and pressing it down with the scraper. And it easily fits onto my board that I pre-cut, and I take the scraper and I scrape it on really hard and then gently pull back the Craftables transfer tape. Okay, here's the last part that I'm going to be doing. I purchased this rope on Amazon. So that it was kind of cute. So I'm just going to take it and glue it to the back and wrap it around a few times. So I'll fast forward it so you don't have to watch me do it. So here's the finished project. I think it turned out really great. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and make sure to thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thanks for watching.